Understanding, pushing one's luck, a guide to English phrases. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an interesting English phrase that you might have heard, pushing one's luck. Understanding such expressions can really enhance your fluency and help you sound more like a native speaker. So, let's explore what it means, how to use it, and some examples to clarify its usage. Stay tuned to master this phrase. Pushing one's luck is a phrase used to describe a situation where someone is continuing to take risks after they have already been successful, hoping to achieve more success. However, there's an implication that this additional risk-taking might lead to failure or problems because the person is becoming too confident or daring. It's like saying someone is tempting fate or testing their limits unnecessarily. This phrase can be used in both casual and formal contexts, but it's more commonly found in spoken English or in more informal settings. Here are some tips on when to use it. After a success, when someone has succeeded at something and then takes additional, unnecessary risks. Warning or advice, to caution someone that they might be taking too many risks. Observing behavior, to comment on someone's actions when they seem to be overconfident about their luck or chances. 1. In a game, he won the first 3 rounds of the card game and decided to bet all his winnings on the 4th round. He was really pushing his luck. 2. At work, she asked for a day off on Monday and then again on Friday. She's pushing her luck with her boss. 3. In negotiations, after getting a good deal, he tried to ask for even more benefits. He's pushing his luck with the negotiations. These examples show how the phrase can be applied in various scenarios to convey the idea of taking unnecessary risks after experiencing some initial success. I hope this explanation helps you understand the phrase, pushing one's luck, and how you can use it in your daily conversations. Remember, it's a great way to express the idea of taking unnecessary risks and can add a nuanced layer to your English communication. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to push your luck with learning English, but only in a good way.